Hello, hi guys. It's a pleasure to have you here. My name is Carol, and the topic that we will deal with today is quite interesting to focus on. Since in this globalized world, teachers must update ourselves and find ways to make the educational experience memorable, meaningful, and entertaining. I want to share some slides so that we can see in the background something that illustrated that since we are just talking about these topics. Okay, and the main topic is about technologies and learning. Okay, let's see some questions to solve that. Okay, Ignacio, for example, say that will the use of virtual tools be so important for the development of the teaching learning process? Well, without adult virtual learning tools have become a fundamental element for the new educational model based on collaborative or participatory learning. With telematic applications in which computing and communication system interact, and where students participate in different time and place by means of a computer network. It allows teachers to use the technological innovation of e-learning to offer students a modern educational experience. In addition, educational learning tools are characterized by their easy to use, a great capacity to fit any type of teaching. Um, Maybe other questions? This topic is very important. For example, for us, the teachers, for in this world, it's important have a knowledge in this theme. Christina, excuse me. Um, but since you're talking about innovation, it's still difficult for certain people to be able to update ourselves. What could we do? Okay, it's very important, but I completely understand you. And it's that education is and training is increasingly important in a competitive world where the most prepared individuals maximize their chance of success both in the academic and professional fields. That is why I'm going to recommend some ICT to implement little by little, and they are easy. For example, um, in this part we watch the Imagine, and this is some examples. Christina, you just want to know give examples? Yeah, this is examples. As you can see, we have some examples to implement in the class little by little. Live video streaming is just what we are doing now. It's very interactive and it's programmed, and you can access information and talks on any subject and with your students connect in advantage and from anywhere in the world as long as they have internet access, and they can be part of this space. We have a podcast, for example, which is a series of audio recorded content broadcast online, and this can be recorded in different formats, such as interviews or conversation on a specific topic you upload in the platform. And here there is no direct interaction. Uh, how now? But it can be reproduced in any time. It would also have the use of mobile applications in which we can use games like Kahoot, for example. This is to make the class interactive games and online text and so on. Yeah. And what is online collaborative space? Okay, this is a space is very important in classmates. Why? Uh, that is what I'm going to do. We can create a space within the platforms for students to interact, and these collaborative platforms are usually online services that provide a virtual environment where several people can connect and work simultaneously on the same task. For example, Discord, Canva, or even create forums for everyone to interact. In my university, for example, we can't these applications, and it is very important and it is very good for us. Okay. Yeah. um, I really have. I have been able to solve some doubts, and this space is for you. Thanks for being here, and we will be connecting with more topics related to technological education. Okay, yeah, it's very important. It really understand, because in this world now today is very important. It obviously in this format, the educational. And remember, yeah, and remember that the new educational technologies are a tool to uh, strengthen teaching and the learning, increase opportunities to access knowledge, and develop collaborative skills or instill values. And yeah, that is all for today. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.